Hi guys, so today I thought I would film a morning routine. So this is generally, can't say that word, what I do in the morning. So first things first, I grab the heating and I turn the heating up because it's always quite cool in the morning. I'll then grab my phone and go on a few apps, do my morning updates on my phone. I'll then give Daniel a morning kiss, put my slippers on and then head downstairs. First of all, I'm feeding the girlies and saying hello to them. Rose likes to take food from my hand now. She's really cute. I love it, but Willow refuses to. So yeah, I'm just feeding the girlies and shutting the cage, and there's a cute little time lapse of them. It's only small, but aren't they adorable? I then open up the blinds. Then blinds went a bit wonky. And now it's time for breakfast. So today we decided it was time for scrambled eggs, beans and toast because we thought it's bank holiday weekend, we may as well treat ourselves instead of having cereal every day. So that is what we did. We made some beans, popped them in the pan. Yeah, they're only cheap beans, but they're beans at the end of the day. And then there we are having a cute little smooch and dance because we have a very cute relationship. That's what people like to tell us anyway. And then buttering the bread and pouring a nice glass of orange juice and lemon water. Oh, there's a toast popping. It did actually make us jump that, surprisingly, even though we knew it was going to happen. But that is just us. We jump at anything. So here are the beans being put onto the bread. And now we're sat on the sofa eating beans. Daniel's having barbecue sauce with his, which I think is a bit weird. But anyway, I just roll my eyes and I have no idea why I roll my eyes. I'm just a bit of a weirdo. We're catching up on casualty because it is very exciting. I then head back upstairs and I make the bed. I love to make the bed because it's so nice to get into fresh, crisp made bedding. Well, it's not fresh, but you know what I mean. I also pop lots of Unreal in there too. I then catch up on some things on my laptop. So first of all, I'm going to watch some YouTube. Now, I've been loving, I don't even know how you pronounce her name, Dentislava, something like that, and Katie Snooks, because I love them so much. And then I decided to pop onto Netflix, I said that very weirdly, didn't I, and see what was on. So I decided to put on this film. I don't really know what to make of it. Now I'm catching up on Snapchat and Shane Dawson's talking about his new conspiracy video, which I'm super excited for. And I popped into Instagram, looked at the Instagram stories, and did all that general sort of thing. And then I popped onto Twitter and liked a few tweets, retweeted a few tweets. That's what I tend to do. And then I've been playing this township game. Daniel got me into this. You build your own little town, harvest crops, milk your cows, make syrup, make whatever. You just make stuff and then jumped into the shower, had a lovely warm shower, used some nice Soap and Glory, brushed my teeth and then decided to put my makeup on. Here I am drying my hair and having a nice sing-song whilst I dry my hair because I enjoy to have a sing-song every now and then. I'm now popping on this cream. It is so good. It makes my skin feel so smooth and soft, and I like it for a makeup base. I don't think you're meant to use it for that, but anyway. I'm now popping on foundation and just doing my makeup, but I'll leave all the products I used in my makeup down below. I mean, it was only like a rush makeup look, so it's not the best, but hey ho, who cares? It's makeup at the end of the day, and it makes my face look better than it normally does. Here I am throwing some mascara on, and then suddenly I decided to blob it onto my eyebrow and then it rubbed into my eyebrow hairs. I mean, come on, how do you even do that? It's only me that can do that, seriously. And then my eyebrow ended up going black, so I had to blend everything in with a beauty blender. I'm now brushing my hair with this brush which has copper bristles, which is meant to be really good for your hair. Don't know how true it is. And then I decided to shove my hair into a nice scruffy bun because I'm just staying in the house today, so I don't need to make my hair look gorgeous or anything, so just thought I'd shove it into a bun and have done with it. I like to pull little bits out and scruff it up because I do not like neat hair. That is the mess I made after doing my makeup, and this is the outfit I chose, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye!